Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: Apple ID credentials, a computer with internet, and a compatible USB cable. Connect the iPad to the computer. If it's disabled, you must force it into recovery mode so the computer can communicate with device firmware. Hold the correct button sequence for your iPad model. This prompts recovery mode instead of normal boot. Once the recovery screen appears, make sure iTunes or Finder recognizes the iPad. That recognition is the crucial handshake before iCloud-driven restore can proceed. Now perform the restore. In iTunes or Finder, select Restore iPad. This downloads the latest iOS and erases the device to remove the disabled state. Alternatively, use iCloud. Sign in with the Apple ID, open Find iPhone, select the iPad, then erase iPad. This triggers an erase over the network. Both methods remove the passcode but require the Apple ID to reactivate. Be patient while firmware downloads and installs. Interrupted downloads can corrupt the process, so keep the computer awake. Finish by reactivating the iPad. Follow on-screen setup and sign in with the original Apple ID to clear activation lock. This proves you own the device. Then restore your iCloud or iTunes backup if you want your data back. If activation fails because activation lock asks for a different Apple ID, you'll need to provide the correct credentials or official proof of purchase to Apple support. This is the common sticking point, so keep receipts handy and escalate to Apple only when credentials cannot be recovered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.